Okay, to do station 1, you are going to press this link for the online spinner. Once you click that, you're going to click into that. You're going to get this spinner. Yours may not have the colors in it. To set it up, let me go ahead and delete this. So right now yours may have yeses and nos. If it does, you're going to input green here. And you're going to click the add button. We have red, I believe. Whoops. You're going to press that. We have white. There's orange. And then there's blue and black. And black. So you're going to type it all in. And you should have all of those colors in there now. So you should have the 6 colors. I believe that's all we needed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. All right. So once you've set up your spinner, you're going to click the middle. And it's selected white. I'm going to hit this count +1. I am going to go down here and it's making my tally marks for me at this point. I'm going to go ahead and spin it again. And I'm going to click that and it will put the +1 on any color I have. Let's see if it'll land on the same color that we've done. If it does, it'll put, oh good. So now it shows me that I hit black twice and I've only clicked on white or spun white once. You need to do this 20 times. So you're going to sit here and you're going to click this 20 times. You're just going to sit here while you're watching TV or doing whatever it is you're doing. Click it 20 times. And so we got blue. We're going to hit this count +1 so that way it records that. Once I have done this 20 times, I'm going to take these numbers here, my tally marks, and I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to add them here. So for right now, I did black once, blue once, white once. Eventually, you'll have enough numbers here that will add up to 20. Because that's the total amount of times you're going to be spinning that spinner. Okay, so now we're going to answer the questions. So based on the results of your experiment, what's the probability the next spin will land on red? Well, that's where I would put whatever red total I had here. So my red total over my total amount. Whoops, amount. So that's what it would look like. So the red, I hadn't spun any red yet, but let's say that I spun 6 red. So it would be 6 over 20. I would then need to reduce that fraction. I would divide it by 2, which would be 3 over 10. So that's how you're going to answer your questions here. You cannot answer these questions until you have spun that wheel 20 times. This is the simulation or the experiment that you get to do. So everyone's answers are going to look a little bit differently. I am going to correct your answers to see if they're right or wrong by your tally marks that are down here. So make sure that you go in, you click this link, click that, and you spin the spinner, okay? If you have any questions, let me know.